Today I am to present the urban space through the eyes of an architect with a simple and quick sketch. 안녕하세요. 숨은 플레이스의 도시건축가원입니다. Hello, I'm an urban architect at Sun Place. I was born and raised in Korea for the most part, but after studying landscape architecture and urban design at the University of Pennsylvania, I'm now working in urban architecture in the United States and Korea. I would like to share my thoughts on the beautiful places of the city with those who are interested in art and space through my drawings. The current drawing depicts a place where buildings and green spaces meet along the coastline. It is a composition of various spaces that form a special line. To emphasize the line of buildings, I'll add more details, such as building facades and windows. I'll draw a floor shadow to the sidewalk along the coastline and add texture to the sand beach. I will capture the atmosphere of the overall building line and the green line coming from the distant coastline. I would love to continue exploring the beautiful spaces within the city through sketching together. Thank you.